Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ariel Nicole. Thank you so much for tuning in. So if you couldn't tell by the title, this is a haul and I'm super excited to show you guys a couple of things that I've picked up recently. So yeah, let's just go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so I'm not sure if I mentioned this before, but I ended up picking up these a couple of weeks ago actually. I might have mentioned it in a previous vlog or something, but I wanted to show them to you guys here. These are super cute blue light glasses. They look like this. These are the clear frame ones. I absolutely love these. I wear these literally every day because I'm on my computer or on my phone. I literally love these. These are amazing. And I feel like I tend to reach more for the clear framed ones because they just go with everything. I absolutely love them. So I bought a pack of 3 from Amazon. I'll find the link and link them down below. So I got these ones. And then I ended up getting the black matte pair, which are super cool. I love these, so cute. And then the tortoise shell ones, which are super cute, super fun, like fashion-y type of frame, which I love. They are so cute, but I feel like I always like reach for the clear framed ones. I have to like stop and like branch out. So love these. I also ended up picking up these Celine dupes. Super cute. I think they're like $8 or something. So inexpensive, super cute, so chic. They go with like everything. Love. So yeah, got these. Okay, so something else I ended up picking up from Amazon. So because of quarantine, I've been doing my own nails. So these are my nails. I ended up buying the gel nail kit. I always say that weird. The gel nail kit. So that's been working out super great, but I needed more colors. So I found this brand. It's called Beetles Nail Polish. Is it focusing? There we go. Gel nail polish. So yeah, let me just show you the colors real quick. I ended up buying 2 packages of those. So I don't know the names, they just come in numbers. So this is $4.59. It's like a brownie kind of color. I absolutely love this because I know we're in the summer months, but fall is literally gonna come by so fast. So I want to have all my fall colors stocked up. I ended up getting $4.60, which is like a white. I feel like this is such a classic color. You absolutely need this, and the bottles are like a decent size. They're not too small. They're actually pretty good. Oh, there was my weight. Okay. Then I ended up picking up this one. This one's $4.61. This reminds me of I think it's like OPI's Court, something like that. It's kind of like Wicked, but more red kind of, but I really like this one. I'm excited for fall so I can debut it. And then I ended up picking up $4.64. It's kind of like a grayish taupey coffee color. Super light, so pretty. And then this little set came with like 2 sparkly colors. So this one's $4.63. I can't even explain it. Let me just try to show you guys. Do you guys see it? It's like, I hope it focuses. I have no idea if it focuses or not, but this is what it looks like. It's like shimmery, like thick glitters. I absolutely love that for like a ring finger, like accent color. And then this is color $4.62, and it's like a silver glitter color. Perfect for like holidays and if you want to do something fun. So I literally love this set. I'm not sure what this set is called, but I'll find it and link it down below for you guys. It comes in this cute little box. So I got that. And then I ended up picking up another set from the Beetles Gel Nail Polish. And this one, I have to literally show you all the colors because they're not like on the top. So this is color 701. And this color is a gorgeous like baby pink color. So beautiful, so pretty, perfect for summertime. So Love this one. I feel like pinks have been my go-to lately. This is 702. And this is a gorgeous lilac color. I absolutely love this one. I kind of want to wear it after the color I have on now, but we'll see. This one is 703. This is actually the color I'm wearing, so I'll show you what it looks like in the bottle. There we go. That's what it looks like in the bottle, and then this is what my nails look like. Literally so pretty. It's like I always think like almond milk. When I think almond milk, I think of like this color. It's not a cream, it's not a white, it's literally like almond milk color. So yeah, love that one. And then I ended up getting this one for 704, sorry. This guy is perfect. It's like the perfect periwinkle blue. So gorgeous. I actually think this color might be my next color. So obsessed. So I think it'll be this and maybe the purple. I don't know, but really, really high up on my list. Then this is color 705. This one is so beautiful. It's like a grayish blue. Perfect transition into fall color. Oh, so gorgeous. Like a charcoaly gray kind of color. Gorgeous. And then the last color I ended up picking up is 706. And this is like a taupey toffee nude color. Oh, it's just so gorgeous. There we go. Literally perfection. Oh my god, it's gonna drip. But I'm so excited to try all these out. Like I said, I'm wearing 703 and it is so pretty. I love it. So far, so good. No chipping. And yeah, I love it. So I have that color. Sorry. Okay. So I have the color on my hands and on my toes, and it works so well. So yeah, I'll definitely link them for you guys so you can purchase them because they are literally such perfect colors. Okay, now these are some of the things I ended up picking up recently, clothing wise. So I went to J. Crew. This is all online, by the way. And I saw these cutie little tops. This is just like a basic little kind of like muscle tee. And then in the back, it has an opening to kind of show like your sports bra. Do you see that? It's so cool, and then it has a little cute tie in the back. So I thought these were so cute for like errands, or if you're doing like a workout where you're not on your back, so like no abs, just like legs and maybe arms. I thought this would be so cute. You'll see it better in like the try on portion, but I absolutely love this tank. I ended up actually getting it in 2 colors. So I got the white and I ended up getting it in the black color. So super cute. Maybe you can see the back better in the black. Let me see. Okay, kind of. You'll see it better in the try on portion, but yeah, I'm so excited. I ended up picking up both of them in an extra small. And then I literally saw these and I was like, hello, Carol Baskin. So yeah, love these. These are like cheetah print, so cute, high-waisted leggings, super stretchy. The bottom is like, you know, cuffed. And yeah, these I ended up picking up in an extra small. So cute, can't wait to just wear these around the house or to work out in, or if I have to run errands, like whatever. I think that both of these, like the white and the black, you can't go wrong. So super cute. And then I ended up picking up this cutie little top from FOREVER21. It's like the gorgeous periwinkle color. I absolutely love it. I love the little detailings on the sleeves. What I like is that it's like a tank and then it has like this on the sides to kind of give the illusion of like, I don't know, like a super girly top, like you're super comfortable because the sides, it's not like ruching like the front. So super cute. I love this. So cannot wait to style that for the summer, even if it's just to walk around the block. But yeah, so excited for this little top. And then I don't even know where to put all this stuff. Okay. So then to kind of go along with that sleeve top, I ended up buying this shirt in white, just like a basic white tee with like the sleeves kind of like the others. They're like kind of like a florally print, and it has like the scalloped edge, super cute and pretty. So what I was thinking with this is high-waisted pants or jeans, and super cute. Your hair either like slicked back in a bun with like cutie little earrings, just to like look put together without even trying, because at the end of the day this is a white tee. So yeah, I absolutely love this top, super cute. Then I ended up picking up another white top, but with like another like fun sleeves. They're kind of just like that, they just lay. Same idea here with like a skirt or high-waisted denim, and pair it with like cute little sandals or little booties. Transition into fall. It's a white tee, you can't go wrong, and it's always good to have like variations of white tees because you never know when you're gonna need a good white tee. Then for something a little more fun, I ended up picking up this cutie little oversized skater dress, guys. So cute. Oh my god, you can't even see it. You'll see it better in the try on portion, but I literally love this dress. It's so perfect for just going out in, or like a little beach dress. Love that. I love the detailing in the front with the buttons, and what I really like about this is that it's double lined at the bottom, so it's not see-through, which I think is so important because you just don't want anyone to see your, you know, undies. But so cute. Love this one. The color is so fun and screams summer. Okay, next is another dress. These are all from FOREVER21, by the way, if I didn't say that earlier. This dress is so cute. It's like gingham print, and it has this little like frilly down at the bottom. It's long sleeved and it's cuffed at the end of the sleeves. So simple but so cute. You can either dress it up, dress it down. For the summer, I would wear this purple one with sneakers and super chill, maybe my hair up or like in a low bun or something, and just go out to like a nice lunch or brunch. Super fun. This color is so perfect, and it adds, you know, makes your like wardrobe is super fun just to like throw this on and run out the door. You don't have to think about it, and you look so put together. So I bought that one, and then because I loved that dress so much, I ended up buying it in another color. So this is a black and white gingham print. I thought this dress would be perfect for work. So for example, I work in an office. I think this would be great because it's high neck, it's long sleeved, and the bottom is perfect. So I would just wear this for work. I would wear this to work. Perfect transition into fall. So with booties, sneakers, a sandal, I feel like you cannot go wrong with this dress. It was super inexpensive, and I love it. I am so excited to wear it and style it. And if I end up going back to work either in the fall or next fall, it's like such a timeless piece that goes with everything because the color is so simple. So yeah, love this one so much. And then the last little dress that I picked up is so cute. It is this floral print dress. These are like little roses. The material is super soft. It has sleeves that cuff on the ends but have like a little ruching on them. And then the V, it's kind of low, so I would have to wear like a little tank or cami underneath for work. Again, I was thinking this for work, or if I have to go to like a dinner, like on a fall night with booties. I feel like this is such a fun, flirty outfit, but also appropriate for work because you can definitely make it appropriate for the office, like I said, just like with a little tank underneath or a little cami for the V, and then like with little black boots and a little leather jacket, and you're all done. So yeah, that was all the things that I ended up getting during this time in quarantine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Also, I'm going to try to find everything for you and have it linked down in the description bar below. And if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.